Hey guys, Lissandro here. Thought I'd make a talk show here. This one's gonna be called Notepad. For those of you followers that follow me on gaming and stuff, head over to my other channel, IronHeart86. I have a talk show there called Iron Talk, and we talk about mostly gaming stuff, but we'll also go off topic, talking about other stuff. Well, anyway, uh, for my first topic that I want to focus on here is I want to focus mostly on the financial world. And one of the reasons why is that I'm involved in this financial world. Currently, I do trading in forex, cryptocurrencies, CFDs, stocks. Actually, own stocks from different companies and all. But one of the things I want to focus on is that I want to focus on penny stocks. Now, a lot of you who are interested in investing probably may have come across a couple of penny stocks, stocks that are really cheap. There's a variety of ranges. There's stocks worth $1, all the way stocks worth $10 or so. Now, in my personal experience, I have come across some stocks that are worth 1 penny or 3 pennies or so. They're just worth pennies and all. Now, it sounds kind of interesting to invest in, but the thing is that it's not really recommended invest in these type of penny stocks unless you actually know what you're getting yourself into. And one of these examples is um, Radio Shack's Radio Shack stocks. Now, Radio Shack shares are last I checked were 18 cents per share. And one of the reasons what happened is that recently they were going through financial issues, and they closed a lot of they ended up closing a lot of Radio Shack locations, even one of the closest ones by my house and all. And they only left pretty much the best performing ones. Well, basically what ended up happening is that yeah, by I think in the 2000s, it's pretty much trickling to a downtrend and all. And eventually, it got to the point to this financial crisis they were going through. Now, because of this, these shares the value so much too, they got to the point where they're pretty much worth just pennies, not nothing. For those people that got out in time, then pretty much good for them. But for those who hanged on, it's just pretty much not that luck of a deal that they got and all, because pretty much they lost a lot of money there, going from I guess like $30, roughly $30 all the way to pennies and all. And right now, I'm not sure if the stocks are still available. Their stocks are available. Last I checked, were available at the OTC market. And OTC market usually, um, you can get good deals there, but usually when stocks are available, the OTC market is usually either because they had gone through hard financial situations, or is because they have, like in my experience, they have pulled out of an exchange. My experience, I had a couple of shares in Konami. I still do. And what ended up happening just back on the 24th, um, they pulled out the New York Stock Exchange. Now, it was pretty much my fault because I didn't keep up with the some of the headlines of what they were posting and all. And they had announced they were pulled out by the 24th, I think, of April. And that's what ended up happening. They pulled out, and now those stocks are only available to the TYO, or in my case, the OTC market. Now, anyway, getting back to the point of penny stocks, penny stocks have the advantage of being relatively cheap. You can It allows you to get pretty much a good head start. That's only if considering that these shares are gonna go up anytime soon and all. But the problem with these is that if they're too the thing is that the cheaper they are, the more pretty much the more you're at an edge. Because imagine if you buy stocks that are worth like 3 pennies or so, and all of a sudden by tomorrow those stocks go all the way down to 1 cent, or it completely values to zero. You pretty much lost all your investment. And especially if you invested thousands of dollars in those stocks and all. And so pretty much what I recommend is that if you're going to invest in stocks, there's two things I want to focus on. One, do your research, do your homework, check the background of these companies, what they're going for. Also analyze how much time you're going to be investing in these companies, whether it's 1 year, 2 years, or 10 years, or more in the long term. Usually you should have a plan how to invest and how to pull out of the market. Um, because in reality, you never know what type of turn these markets can turn all of a sudden. And always keep ahead of headlines covering these companies. Otherwise, things might get you by surprise. Now, another thing I want to focus on is that if you're gonna invest in in stocks, I recommend that you diversify your account. You don't invest all your money in just one company, or just roughly one industry. Diversify your account. Buy different stocks from different companies. And the reason why is that, suppose you invested like Best Buy. Okay, you invested all your money in Best Buy, and sure, it may be good that is going is going up and all, but the thing is, suppose suppose all of a sudden there's a negative turn and all. The negative turn, pretty much all your money is at stake right there. And this also, your losses all depends on how long you're gonna keep your investment. Also, also what type of company you invested in, and it all goes back to doing your homework. How much was the background of this company is or so. So that's pretty much all for now, and happy investing to all of your investors and all. Bye.